Yeah, why wouldn't you use your R8 for a tripod? What's going on, guys? My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips. Thanks for stopping by, checking out this episode. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button down below. We're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway to ECS Tuning. ECS Tuning, if you're unaware, does a lot of aftermarket parts for aftermarket and factory stuff. So they have a ton of stuff. Like I said in the last video, I think I'm going to end that giveaway early before 500 subs because I kind of feel like a douche doing it over and over and over. So yeah, I think I'm going to end that one early, but I'll keep you posted on when and when we're going to do that. Today though, getting back to work on the M3. Again, if you're new, I have an E36 M3 that I am redoing, and I'll show it to you while I talk here. So here is my E36 M3. It is a 1995 M3 that I am updating, upgrading, everything. We're gonna do brakes, we're gonna do suspension. I've taken care of the exterior for the most part. If you haven't been here before, I replaced those trim pieces along the side, the rear impact strips. Got some. Actually, I got the new lip today, or in the box for the front bumper, put the yellow fogs in. We've done some cool stuff to this so far. A ton more to do, and today we're tackling one of those projects, which is, one second, these guys. These rear door panel or door inserts that go right behind the front door on the opposite side of here, so in there. I had these reupholstered because on the M3, it's common for this vinyl to start to peel up and just, break away. So I had these reupholstered, but I didn't have these glued back in. So I've seen a few guys on a couple of the BMW forums that I go on asking about how to glue those back in, because you can't just make vinyl and vinyl together with just like Gorilla Glue. Well, I mean, maybe you can, but that's not the proper way to do it. So the person who reupholstered those recommended a shop that does, or that specializes in this type of stuff, and this is the epoxy they gave me. That is it. Go on, Dad. Yeah, buddy. Is that focused? Anyway, if you can't read that, it is H36 vinyl cement. So I called them and I asked them how to use this. You don't need to, a lot of times when you're using epoxy and stuff, you need to kind of scuff up the areas that you're going to be gluing together or adhering together. Apparently that's not necessary. You're gonna put this on both sides of the vinyl. I'm gonna try it today. I'm not an expert at this. I've never done this before. This is just how I was told to do it. So let's give it a shot. It's the worst that can happen. I glue myself to the, we'll figure it out. It's cold right now. I can't. So the only issue I'm seeing here, I can't lay these flat down on the ground because when I do, this insert is deeper than the backside of this, than the main piece, so it'll push it up. So I have to build like a little platform thing. So, oh God, these are not light. I gotta move you to the tall tripod. One sec. Alright, so what I need to do is get this so the middle can rest all the way down. So this right here, if I just lay it flat out, it'll come up. So I have to kind of get it so this rests on its edge. Probably does get some. Yeah. Alright, now again, I've never done this. I'm just gonna wipe down these surfaces. So I'm gonna put adhesive all along there, all through here, and then on the back side of this as well. I always overdo this stuff, so I'm gonna try to not put too much. Let's see. There's no real directions on this. What? All right, so I'm not sure that works. So the set time on this seems to be really quick. So I went around the edge of the actual piece itself, and then by the time I started doing the insert, going around that, it seemed like the glue that I put on this had already started to set by the time I got glue around the edge of the insert. So right now what I just have this in there just to weight it down to try and make this insert have contact with this. So I'm gonna leave this like this. I'm gonna let it set for at least 15-20 minutes to see if what I actually did worked. Yeah, and we'll go from there. Let's give it a little time. Alright, little update. It's been a little bit. It seems to, yeah, I mean, it's definitely not falling out. So, I mean, again, this is in the back. No one's gonna see this. So what I may do now is just put a little extra in between the seams here from the back side, and man, call it good. If that's it, then this stuff works well. So I'm gonna try that. All right, it's been like, I don't know, 30 minutes. My biggest concern was, since I put it on the back side here, I thought about this after, I didn't want it to leak out. But, I don't know, man, I think we're good. Yeah, that's good. All right, easy enough. I'll get the other one, we'll do it to there. Do it to that one. All right, numero dos. Man, all right, this looks like it worked really well. So, yeah. So, I mean, I'm not going to test it out by putting some weight on the back or anything, but I think it worked out well. So that worked out well. Here's this. So here's the glue again, in case any of you guys want to try it. E36 vinyl cement, and it worked really well. It cured really fast. It set really quickly. But I mean, altogether it worked really well, at least for what I was looking for. Again, I haven't tested it, but you know, I think it should be good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call this one a day here. I'm not gonna put those in yet because I have to change out the seat belts as well, which these are the front seat belts that I got. Oh, I'm so stoked for these. Feels locked. Anyway, hold on. Those are gonna be sweet. So I'm not gonna put those rear door cards in yet because I need to switch out the seat belts. I need to get a few more things for that area of the car that will be covered up once I put those in. So I'm gonna leave that how it is now. That's gonna be it for me today. Kind of feeling under the weather, and it's my girl's birthday, so you fellas, you know what I'm talking about. I shouldn't be out here anyway, but I am. So anyway, I'm calling that one a day, guys. Smash that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys viewing. Thank you so much. I'll keep you guys posted on that 500 sub giveaway. Like I said, I think I'm going to end that one early. Probably just put a date on it instead and go from there. Cheers, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys next episode.